Tired of that outdated ceiling light? Today we're upgrading it with a ceiling fan light fixture for better airflow and lighting. Let's get started. Before doing anything, turn off the power at the breaker box. Never trust just the light switch. Double check with a live wire tester to make sure there's no power running to the fixture. It's also a great idea to unpack the box and read the instructions, as well as become familiar with all of the parts included for your new light fixture. Now remove the light cover and bulbs. Most ceiling lights have a few screws holding the fixture in place. Loosen those and carefully lower the fixture to expose the wiring. Test your wires again with a live wire tester, just to be sure there isn't any power going through those wires. Getting shocked is no fun at all, and of course, it's very dangerous. Before removing any wires, take a quick picture. This will help when connecting the new fixture. Now unscrew the wire nuts and separate the old fixture's wires from the ceiling wires. If there's a ground wire attached to the mounting bracket, unscrew that as well. Before installing a ceiling fan, make sure the ceiling electrical box is fan rated. Standard light fixture boxes may not be strong enough to support the weight of a fan. If it's not fan rated, you'll need to replace it with a proper support box. Now attach the ceiling fan's mounting bracket using the screws provided. This is what holds the fan securely in place, so make sure it's nice and tight.
Okay, so with this fan light fixture, you have a separate power wire for the fan, which is the blue wire, separate from the black, which is the red color. And you have the traditional white neutral and green for ground. This particular room ceiling light only had a 2-conductor wire instead of 3-conductor. 2-conductor meaning you only have the black and the white plus the ground. They didn't have 3-conductor, which would have added an additional wire so that you can control the fan separately from the light switch. So in this instance, the only other option to control the fan is either by the pull strings or from a remote control that has power that can control the light separately from the fan. So in this instance, the client would like me to connect the blue and the black connection wires from the fan to the black power wire, and they are not going to have a remote control, so they will operate the fan and the light separately from the 2 chain pull strings.
Time to wire up the fan. Connect the black hot wire from the ceiling to the black wire and the blue wire from the fan. If you do have a 3-conductor wire coming from the switch to the ceiling, you will likely have a red wire coming from the ceiling. In this case, connect the red wire to the blue wire on the fan. Attach the green or the bare copper ground wire to the ground wire from the ceiling. If you don't have a ground wire from the ceiling, connect your ground wire from the fan to the ground screw on the fixture. Connect the white neutral wire to the white wire from the fan. Secure everything with wire nuts and tuck the wires neatly into the box. Now lift the fan body and attach it to the mounting bracket. Attach the fan blades to their mounting brackets. Some fan blades will have a different color on each side, so be sure to screw the bracket onto the correct side so that the color you want will be facing downwards. Once the motor is locked in, install the fan blades according to the instructions. If your ceiling fan has a light kit, now is the time to install it. Simply connect the wires. Usually they're color-coded, and secure the light fixture in place. Then screw in the light bulbs and attach the glass covers. We're almost there. Turn the power back on and test both the fan and the light. If everything works, we're good to go. If not, double check your wiring connections.
Okay, so we are finished with installation of the ceiling fan light. We decided to utilize the 2 pull strings since we only have 1 light switch. When we flip this light switch, power will be sent to both the light and the fan. The light is controlled by the center pull, and the fan speed and control is powered by the side pull string.
And just like that, we've replaced an old ceiling light with a stylish new ceiling fan. Not only does it improve lighting, but it also keeps the room cool and comfortable.
Thank you for watching another edition of Mission DIY.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other DIY home improvement videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.